Hello everyone and welcome to the Guarantee user tutorial. We will begin by logging in and going straight to the tutorial page. Here you will find the full user guide. The first thing we see is the icon legend. These universal icons will be seen on most pages of the program. Next, we will go over the initial steps to using this program. The first step is creating departments, which will take you to the Management of Departments page. Here, you will begin by adding a department by clicking on the green Add icon in the right-hand corner. You will give a department a name, and if needed, provide a note. Once the department has been created, it will be displayed back on the Management of Departments page, along with the other departments. You can also sort the number of departments that are displayed on each page by clicking on the Sort button in the left-hand corner. You can also edit or delete a department at any time by clicking on the respective icon. Upon returning to the user guide, the second step is to create job descriptions. On this page, you can find all the job functions along with brief descriptions. To add a new function, you will click on the green Add icon in the right-hand corner. Here you will fill in the job title along with the description that will be listed on the job requirements page. Just like the Management of Departments page, you can sort the number of jobs that are displayed on each page by clicking in the Sort button in the left-hand corner. In the right-hand corner, you will find some of the icons that we went over in the beginning, including the search icon, which allows you to easily find certain jobs by using the descriptions listed. Next, we'll create users for the system. On the Personnel File page, you will find every user that has been registered in the system. Again, we will add a user by clicking on the green Add icon in the right-hand corner. You will proceed to name the user and have the option to provide a detailed personal profile. At the bottom of the profile, you must select a preferred language for the user. You must also give the user a role of user, editor, approver, or administrator. Back on the Personnel File page, just like in the two previous pages, you can sort the number of jobs that are displayed on each page by clicking the Sort button in the left-hand corner. Again, the right-hand corner, you will find some of the icons that we went over in the beginning, including the search icon, which allows you to easily find a user by searching their surname. The fourth step is to set user permissions. Here, you will give permissions to each individual user that is in the system. For example, if we click on Juan Carmona, we will see all the categories in the system. And if you look at the legend in the right-hand corner, there's the option to either read or write in each subcategory. These will be permissions that each user will have throughout the system. The last step is to upload documents. On the Document Management page, you will find all the content that has been uploaded by users in the system. This gives users a platform to share documents or files with everyone in the system. To add a new document, you will click on the green Add icon in the right-hand corner. You will proceed to select either create a new file or folder. To add to an existing folder, you will create a file, and after uploading the file, you will select which folder it belongs to. Then you must select if the viewing of this file requires approval. Back on the Document Management page, you can edit, delete, or download files or folders by clicking in the respective icon. The rest of the user guide has tools and suggestions that will help you have a smoother implementation of the system. And that concludes the tutorial. Thank you for your time, and we hope your experience with Guarantee is a great one.